I showed you this house when we were having an estate sale, and the owner decided to maximize their profits by doing some updates and remodeling in the home. So I thought you might like to see what kind of progress they've made so far. Well, we have all new flooring. The old tile and carpet was removed. The house is empty. We had lots of furniture and family treasures last time we looked. They took down the countertop, made it counter height from bar height, and added quartz countertops. And it looks like they're going to be painting the cabinets white, and that'll be painting all the walls. And they've put in all this new flooring down and new carpet up. So we'll see the next time we come. I think it'll be painted.